Hi ladies, in today's video, I will be addressing what I call the confidence trap keeping women broke. It is not about skill because many women are skilled. It is not about money either. For most women, we have the money to start a business. The number one reason women stay broke is the lack of confidence. You thinking that you are not ready, not qualified, or not good enough. Today, I will show you how to break out of that trap and finally start building income and freedom. Welcome to the Empowered Woman channel. On this channel, we help women escape the 9-to-5 by building confidence and side hustles that actually pay. Believe it when I tell you that there are many ways to earn income online, and social media is where the money is right now. I have seen too many women hold themselves back, not because they can't succeed, but because of this confidence trap. First is the I am not ready myth. Most women wait until they feel ready or qualified before starting anything. But the truth is that confidence comes after action, not before. Like the common saying that practice makes perfection, if you don't even start, how can you get better at it? If this is your trap, whatever you have been putting off, just start and learn as you go. Second is undercharging for skills. Many women stay broke because they undervalue themselves. If you don't believe in your worth and the value you bring, how do you expect others to? If this is your trap, start by setting a high standard for yourself. Never undervalue yourself. Third reason is playing small to avoid failure. Fear of mistakes keeps women stuck in safe, low-paying jobs. Every entrepreneur fails forward. Confidence grows by doing scary things anyway. If this is your trap, take decisive steps towards your goals. If you fail, learn from your mistakes and keep going. And the crazy part? Once you break free from this trap, you will begin to see opportunities everywhere. Whether it's freelancing, starting a side hustle, or even turning your passion into a business. If you're ready to stop letting confidence hold you back and start building a business you control, I have put together a free webinar where I walk you step by step through launching a digital business. It's the exact process I used to turn a side hustle into real income. The link is down in the description. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching. If this hit home, drop a comment saying, I am ready. I would love to cheer you on. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on confidence, side hustles, and financial freedom. Remember that a financially empowered woman is a woman with multiple streams of income.